In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit cash using the Wise app. We'll walk through the entire process step by step to ensure you feel confident and ready to deposit funds into your account. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your Wise account. This is an essential step, as you won't be able to deposit funds without being logged in. Once you're securely logged in, you're ready for the next steps. Now, to actually deposit cash, you'll want to start by selecting the account you wish to deposit money into. Navigating to the correct account from your dashboard is crucial to ensure everything goes smoothly. With that selected, it's time to move on. The next thing you'll do is click the Add button. This will prompt you to enter the amount of money you'd like to deposit. Carefully enter the amount you're planning to add, double-checking that it's exactly what you intend to transfer. Within this section, you also have the option to change the currency. If you want to deposit in a different currency than your default, this is where you'll make that adjustment. Additionally, you can change the payment method to best suit your needs. The app will provide a clear overview of how long it will take for the funds to arrive, usually just seconds. Moreover, Wise will clearly display any total fees and taxes associated with your deposit, so you won't encounter any surprise costs. Once you've confirmed all these details and ensured everything is correct, you'll click Continue to proceed. At this point, the platform will prompt you to verify your transaction. Wise offers instant verification for a seamless experience. All you need to do is select Instant Verification. Simply follow the prompts on your screen to complete the process. Wise's intuitive system will guide you through the steps necessary for security checks, ensuring your transaction is verified and processed without a hitch. With the verification out of the way, you'll be all set to deposit money into your account. It's really that straightforward with Wise. The app's design and interface are tailored to make processes like these as easy and user-friendly as possible, and I believe you'll find it just as accommodating. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on depositing cash using Wise. Following these steps, you should have no trouble getting your funds into your account swiftly and securely. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Wise's help section or reach out to their support team. They're always ready to help you out. Remember to always double-check each step along the way for a successful transaction. Happy banking!